If your phone is constantly blowing up with spam calls, scam texts, and highly targeted ads, you didn't just get unlucky. Right out of the box, your Android smartphone is actually pre-configured with multiple settings that actively share your personal phone number and home address with third-party apps and websites. What's up, everyone? Tony here, and welcome back to the Software Navigator. Today, we are completely locking down your personal data. I'm going to show you the 3 hidden settings you need to turn off right now to stop your phone from quietly leaking your contact info to the highest bidder. Let's get your privacy back. First, we need to stop Google from acting as a broker for your phone number. Open your main phone settings and scroll down until you find the Google section. At the top, tap the All Services tab. Scroll down and look for a setting called Phone Number Sharing. By default, this allows Google to hand your number over whenever a third-party app or site requests it. This is exactly how your number ends up on spam lists. Turn this toggle completely off. Next, we are plugging the leak in your web browser. Open Google Chrome. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and go down to Settings. Look for the menu labeled Addresses and More. You will see a setting called Save and Fill Addresses. While it seems convenient, this means Chrome is actively storing your home address and phone number, which can be easily intercepted by tracking scripts and shady ad networks. Turn this completely off. It takes 2 extra seconds to type your address manually, and it is absolutely worth the massive security upgrade. Finally, we need to stop random apps on your phone from reading your contact list. Go back to your main phone settings, tap the search bar at the top, and type Permission Manager. Open it. Tap on Contacts. Look closely at the list of apps that have access. Why does your photo gallery or a random mobile game need access to your private phone book? They don't. Tap any app that has absolutely no business seeing your contacts, then change its access to Don't Allow. Do the same audit for the call logs and phone permissions. If an app legitimately needs access later, it will just ask you again. And just like that, you have successfully cut off the data brokers and secured your personal contact info. But locking down your phone number is only half the battle. If you have a YouTube account, there is a hidden default setting enabled right now that allows scammers, bots, and random strangers to publicly tag your personal profile in fake, embarrassing, or malicious videos without your permission. Click the video on your screen titled "Turn off this creepy YouTube setting right now." I'm going to walk you through the exact 60-second fix to make your account invisible to scammers. Click right there to protect your profile, and I'll see you over in that video. If this quick audit helped you lock down your privacy today, do me a massive favor and hit that like button to help push this warning to other Android users. Make sure you are subscribed to the Software Navigator for more straight-to-the-point security guides.